heart of the Black Rock Desert, where creativity knows no bounds. A fascinating installation rises from the dust, its flames reaching toward the heavens. 5 fire cups, like mystical beacons, stand tall, emanating an ethereal energy that draws people from all walks of life. Each cup, a testament to the transformative power of art, ready to ignite the spirit of all who dare to venture closer. As the sun sets and darkness blankets the desert, the fire cups come alive, illuminating the night with their radiant flames. It is as if they carry the essence of ancient rituals and modern expression, uniting past and present in a fiery dance. With each flicker of light, a sense of unity fills the air. Strangers become friends and bonds are forged under the captivating spell of the flame. The installation becomes a beacon of connection and collective experience. But within the brilliance of the fire, there lies a reminder of impermanence. Like the fleeting moments of life, the flames are temporary, destined to return to the dust from which they emerged. Yet in this fleeting beauty, we find inspiration and purpose. The fire cups teach us to cherish the present, to embrace the freedom of artistic expression, and to connect with the profoundness of human spirit. As we marvel at the artistry of these installations, we are reminded of the power of creativity, the ability to transcend boundaries and ignite the sparks of inspiration within us all. In the heart of this vast desert where the fire meets the earth, we witness the magic